We are on our way. We are on our way. Where are we?
On our way on the interstate.
Where to?
We're going down the road to Knoxville, Tennessee. Knoxville, Tennessee. When I get to Knoxville, Tennessee, I'll be going to a place and you're with me. We will go to Cheesecake Factory and have something to eat at Knoxville, Tennessee.
Okay, here we are. Just got back in the car from our meal at Cheesecake Factory in Knoxville. This was a bit of a little family get-together, so it was us and 4 others who met here today. And I'll just go ahead and get started. I couldn't record much video from inside the place because music was playing pretty loud and all like that, but I ended up getting the fried mac and cheese, which I think is technically like an appetizer.
It is.
But I just, man, it's delicious. It's delicious.
4 big old balls. Well, you got a picture of it, right?
Yeah.
It's 4 big old balls like this. It's full of cheese and macaroni.
We've been to this place a few times before, so this wasn't our first trip. But I've had a little bit of trouble finding something that I'm really just falling in love with, and that's not being critical of them or anything. It's just, I know that I've tried their chicken quesadilla. That's really good. And I've tried a couple of other things. Everything's been good, but as far as just something that I've fallen in love with, this fried mac and cheese would probably have to be it for me. It's just awesome. So that's what I just got that and had that for my meal. And it was great.
I'm still searching for that dish as well. So every time I come, which is, we don't come here a lot, maybe once a year, but I try something different every time I come. And today I tried the chicken salad sandwich. The thing was huge. It was good. It was a different taste of chicken salad, but it was really, really good. I think the bread seemed to be maybe a sourdough bread. I'm not really sure, but it was good. And then I paid the upcharge for the sweet potato fries. They were really good. Let's see. Our daughter and her husband, they got the chicken parmesan, the crusted chicken parmesan. They split it, had plenty enough food. And then our other daughter got chicken fingers. And did you get a picture of that plate?
I did not.
Oh,
but
my gosh.
It was enough to feed 3 people.
Yeah. And then our future son-in-law, he got the General House chicken. Is that what he got?
Orange
no,
chicken.
He got the orange chicken. Yeah. And it had rice, and he said it was good as well. So everybody seemed to be pleased with the food that they got. The service was phenomenal.
Tell us how you like the chicken salad.
Oh, it was good. Yes.
I tried some of the chicken salad sandwich that she got, and it was good.
It was enough for 2 people.
And then Jacob and Charity also tried it as well. I think,
yes,
right?
Yes, they liked
so
it.
It was big enough for everybody to get a sample of, and it was okay. As the chicken salad as far as me, but nothing compares to the fried mac and cheese from my perspective. And then the service was great. That guy was phenomenal.
He was on top of it.
He knew. He's a real professional, and I believe his name is Zach W.
Yeah.
Zach W. So shout out to Zach. Appreciate you. And the total check, this is just the food for 6 of us, 6 people, drinks and food. They charge $4.95 for that's a little bit crazy.
Yeah,
right there.
I was getting ready to say,
yeah.
If we were forced to say anything negative, that would be it. $4.95 for
a little bit steep, but it's a good place to come. And the total was $134 and some change, but that's 6 of us. Had it just been for her and I, what we ordered, it would have been about $45, because I kind of done the math. But that didn't include the cheesecake. The cheesecake was ordered after that. That was in addition to that.
Right.
And we didn't get any cheesecake this time. We're still feasting on dessert that we got from Longhorn last night. But that's good. I mean, I could recommend it. You know, I mean, for what I got, I just love it. So I have to give it a 5 stars. So that's just me. Anything else you want to say?
I'd give it 5 stars too.
Okay. All right. I guess that's all we got to say for now.
Thank you, Cheesecake Factory.
From the Cheesecake Factory in Knoxville. Check it out. Appreciate you all. Bye.